Third graders, we're looking at lesson 12.7 today, describe triangles, and you should be on page 736. We're looking at the top, ways to describe triangles, right? So we're going to look at several different triangles and look at two different ways to describe these different triangles. One way, let's look at that first. One way here. Triangles can be described by the number of sides that are of equal length. Okay? So you're going to draw a line to match the description of the triangles. So we have three groups of triangles here. We have this triangle, that's one group. B and E are a group, C and D are a group. And you're going to draw a line from each group of triangles down to these descriptions. No sides are equal in length, 2 sides are equal in length, or 3 sides are equal in length. All right, so I'm going to give you some time to draw your lines. Please pause the video while you do that. When you're done drawing your lines, press play, and then you can check your work. Good luck. All right, third graders, so we're going to draw lines from triangle A all the way over to 3 sides are equal in length. All of its sides are equal. And we look at triangles B and E, each one of them has 2 sides that are equal in length. And then if we look at C and D, they have no sides equal in length. So your lines should match up with mine. If they don't, pause the video again, erase your mistakes, and fix it up so it looks like my example. Okay, now we're going to move to another way. And another way looks, instead of looking at lengths of side, it's going to look at the angles that these guys have. Okay, so again, we'll do the same thing, very similar. We're going to draw a line from the group of triangles, which is C, A and E, and B and D, down to the description. One angle is a right angle, one angle is greater than a right angle, and 3 angles are less than a right angle. So again, pause your video, go ahead and draw your lines. When you're ready, then you can press play again and check your work. If we look at triangle C, it has one angle that is greater than a right angle. And if we look at triangles A and E, they have 3 angles less than a right angle. And finally, if we look at B and D, we notice this little symbol right here, and that's our symbol that says, hey, that's a right angle. So those two have one angle as a right angle. And if you got those right, give yourself a little pat on the back. If you didn't, pause the video one more time and fix it up so it looks like my example. Okay, I'm going to erase my examples here, but I do have a couple questions for you. When we think about this one way up here, where we are looking at the lengths of the sides, how can a ruler help us describe the triangles based on its sides? I think you can use a ruler to measure the length of each side of a triangle, right? And then you either have 3 sides that are the same length, or you have 2 sides the same length, or like on C and D, you have 0 sides that are the same length. Okay. My next question is, looking at another way, how can you use the corner of a sheet of paper to help you with these angles? Corner of a sheet of paper is similar to my drawing there. Probably not, my drawing's a little less than 90 degrees. Okay, but you can use that corner of a sheet of paper to measure something like triangle B or triangle D, and it would match up exactly, showing you that yes, that's a 90-degree angle. If you looked at triangles A and E and you put your sheet of paper over the top, you would see that your sheet of paper doesn't match up with that triangle. This angle that I'm looking at here on E is less than 90 degrees. And then if we looked at triangle C here, and I have my sheet of paper, now we can see that that angle for C is greater than a 90-degree angle. Okay? So you can use a ruler to help you with the sides, or you can use a sheet of paper to help you with the angles. All right, good luck on your assignment. Work on page 737 and do the share and show section. When you're finished with that, bring it to me. I'll check it. Hopefully we've got it all good, and then you can move to your iPad assignment. Good luck today, boys and girls. This is Mr. P, and I am out.